GBP catching a bid today on risk appetite. Obviously, as I went over the US and Iran peace deal framework for a peace deal, but please note that this is just a framework. It hasn't been over the line yet. There are a number of risks that remain that you have to keep in mind. Okay, and inflation drop. Look, this has reduced inflation fears. This has reduced the idea of rate hikes for the United States, but there's still macro stacked up in the favor of the dollar, as I went over in the dollar piece. Right. Look, for the time being, obviously the trend is your friend, and right now we do have higher highs, high lows for GBP. Obviously, there's a very key area of liquidity here at 34.70 that we'd have to grind down. If we grind that area down, bear in mind this is very extremely chunky, extremely chunky. Expect this not to be given up without a fight from the bears, right? But if we do eventually break this down, like I said with euro, we can really fly in towards sort of 36s and the mid 36 region. Otherwise, this runs the risk of rejection and then just continue to trade in this absolute noise and this mess. But obviously, the rejection up here, we're already seeing signs of that this morning coming into play. But obviously, so long as the structure here holds, because we've got high, 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 low, high, 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 low, as long as this structure holds, then the dips could be bought. But otherwise, this could just fade. Okay, this could just fade this move and fall back within this awful range. GBP specifically versus dollar is not something that I'm ultimately interested in because obviously the mess that we've seen for a while. As I say, for ongoing analysis, ongoing trade ideas, free education, so on and so forth, guys, check the link in the description because this offer is going to be gone very soon for you to capitalize on that. Catch you on next one.